Okay, guys, let's start the session. Let's continue it. Here I just added font style. After that, it's italic, right? I'm gonna close style and head body part. It's uh, my family and I. My friends and family, or like my friends visited uh, the Indian Habitat Center this weekend or this summer. Okay, place was nice and yeah, place was nice. Okay, that's it. And let's close this. Then use aside, close p tag, aside close. Okay, and no, here we can say right. Hi, I am JT. Okay, let's save this. That's how we can use the aside tag, right? So these are the semantic and the non-semantic tags. Is that clear till now, the guys? Just let me know.
Yes, sir.
It's clear now how we use it. Just because these are the things we're gonna use in our project. That's why I'm explaining everything. Now, guys, let's talk about our geolocation API. So here, guys, it is used to get the geographical position of a user. Okay, since like we can say this can compromise privacy, the position is not available unless the user approves it. Okay, now mm, using HTML geolocation. Okay, so here, guys, the get current position method is used to return the user's position. Okay, let's start with this. Let's say click the button to get your coordinates. Okay, here comes button. On click, get location method. Try it. Button close. Now I'm gonna add PID demo. Okay, P close. Then I'm gonna write script where x document dot get element by ID. That's demo. Then function get location method like if let's say navigator geolocation I'm gonna use if else case over here. Okay. Mm, navigator geolocation get current position. Let's say show position. Else mm, mm, X create in a HTML. Geolocation is not supported by this browser. Okay, let's close the function get location. Now let's open function show position. That's position X inner HTML, that is latitude plus position codes. Latitude plus, let's say it's a braid tag, longitude plus position codes, longitude. Okay, mm, let's close the script. Let's check the output, guys. Geolocation is not supported by the browser. Okay, now let's check the code first. First is get location, ID demo script, document get element by ID, that's demo, function get location, method if navigator geolocation, navigation, navigator plus geolocation. Okay, get current position, show position. Else geolocation is not supported by the browser. Let's try once again. Try it once. else exit browser. Let's save it. Now it's working, guys. You guys can check it out over here. So it's the longitude and the latitude. This is my current position. Guys, here in this code, like this is the basic and the demo code. So what I'm gonna say is, first is check if location is supported or not. Then if supported, run the get current position method. If not, then display a message to the user. Okay. And if the get current position method, right, is like successful and it returns a coordinates objects to the function specified in the parameter, like show position, then the show position function outputs the latitude and the longitude. Okay. And let's say one more thing about this.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Yes, please.
What is used for navigator? Hello.
Yes, please.
Can you explain again a navigator? What is use of navigator?
You're talking about the navigator in this JavaScript.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Guys, first of all, JavaScript navigator provides you the information about the web browser and its capabilities first. Okay. And this navigator object has properties that convey the browser's information. And why we use it? It is used for the browser detection, and it can be used to get browser information such as app name, app code name, or user agent, something like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So I explained everything. So let's talk about this location specific information. Let me write it down over here. So, hey guys, geolocation is also very useful for location specific information, like first is your up to date local information. Second is your showing points of interest near the user. Third, but the last is your turn by turn navigation is there. We can say it as GPS. Okay. Here guys, get current position method returns an object on success, like the latitude, longitude, and accuracy properties are always returned. Okay. Okay. One more thing I'm gonna add over here. Like there are some interesting methods also. Watch position method. Uh, this returns the current position of the user and continues to return update, like updated position as the user moves. Okay, we can say uh, like the GPS in a car. Then comes your clear watch method that stops the watch position method. Okay, this is all about the geolocation. These are some interesting methods that you guys can use and practice it out. Sorry, it's clear watch of this one. Clear watch method. Okay. Now, guys, let's go for the HTML drag and drop API. Guys, drag and drop is a very common feature. Like it is when you grab an object and drag it to different location. Okay, that's it. Okay, I'm gonna write one code for this. Uh, let's go then. Let's add head style over here. Then ID div I'm gonna create div1. Width is 350 pixel. Then height is 70 pixel. Uh, then padding 10 pixel. then border, we'll say 2 pixel, solid 6 times A, style, then head, let's say not the head, let's open script over here. It's function allow drop, so here it's ev, ah just hold on, it's ev, prevent default, okay, method. Now after this I'm gonna create a function drag ev, then data transfer and set data. So here in method it's text ev target id, okay, then let's create now drop function drop event uh, prevent default method, var variable data, that's event data transfer, uh get data, that's text, okay, then event target append child document get element by id data, okay, then script closed, then head close, then open the body element, so it's drag image, my image uh, into the rectangle, okay, now here I'm gonna close the p tag, just hold on a second guys. Now div element I'm gonna open with id div1 that we created above, right, on drop event, okay, on drag over, allow drop event. Let's close the IV element here. Then open image tag ID, drag one, source an image, then draggable, screw on drag start, drag event, and width 336, height 69. That's it. Body close. Let's select the image, guys. Let's save the code. Let's check, find out the output, guys. What's the matter now? It's not working, right? Let's check the body part first. Drag my image in the, okay. ID div1 on drop. So drop event on drag over, allow drop event, okay. Close div, close break, ID drag one.
हेलो
Yeah.
सर वो ड्रैग पंचन स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक है
Where?
पंचन ड्रैग में मिस्टेक है
Where are you talking about? Where's the mistake?
सर DARG लिखा है
कहाँ पे?
DRJ लिखा है सर पंचन ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप वाले में
फंक्शन ड्रैग
अच्छा, function drag में, okay. Yeah, now it's working, right? So that's how we use this. Let me explain few things to you. Please drain it down. So guys, here, let's say to make an element draggable, set the draggable attribute to true. Okay, first thing. Now in this code, like the drag on start, like on drag start attribute calls a function that is drag event that specifies what data to be dragged. Okay, and the data transfer period set data method sets the data type and the value of the dragged data. This, okay, and where to drop, like on drag over event, right? on drag over event specifies where the dragged data can be dropped. Like by default, data or elements cannot be dropped in other elements. To allow a drop, we must prevent the default handling of the element. So this is done by calling the event period prevent default method for the on drag over event, right? The do the drop, like on drop, when the drag data is dropped, a drop event occurs, right? So let me explain the code about this function drop event here. This one, guys, call prevent default method to prevent the browser default handling of the data. Like default is open as link on the drop, right? Then get the dragged data with the data transfer dot get data method. Okay, and this method will return any data that was set to the same type in the set data method. Okay, third is the drag data is the ID of the dragged element, that is drag one. Okay, last is your, we can say, like append the dragged element into the drop element. So this is the meaning of this, a drag and drop, this code. Okay, is that clear till now? Just let me know, guys.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
So guys, I'm gonna end this session over here only. From tomorrow onwards, we're gonna start CSS. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, today's task.
Okay, sir.
Today there is no task. Just practice all the previous sessions. Okay. Just because from tomorrow onwards, we're gonna start CSS,
Okay, sir.
the complete
issue.
CSS. Okay. We covered little
Yes,
bit
sir.
of JavaScript, little bit of CSS in this HTML part, but from tomorrow onwards, we're gonna cover the complete CSS.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then we'll see you guys tomorrow, guys. Yeah. I already texted you all the notes in the WhatsApp group. You guys can copy it from there and save it in your mobile notes, like in your telephone mobile, in the notes area, right? So see you guys tomorrow then. Bye bye. Take care and stay safe. Good night.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you very much.